Guys, in this video, I'm going to be making the amazing JDC Brownie ice cream cake. Let's go!
This is the JDC Show.
Hey guys, this is our first time eating. This is Shaggy. And I am Joseph. My mom's going to be helping me make a delicious cake. Layers of cookie dough, Oreo, ice cream, and brownie. Let's go! First, the cookie dough layer. Here's what we're going to need. We're going to need all-purpose flour, melted butter, brown and white sugar, salt, milk, vanilla extract, and mini chocolate chips. Second, the Oreo layer. We made this extra special, so we got double stuffed Oreos. For the ice cream layer, you can choose any flavored ice cream, but I chose the original vanilla. For the brownie layer, I chose chewy fudge brownie mix. Bake the brownies. When done, set it aside and let it cool. While the brownies are cooling down, time to make the cookie dough layer. First, mix the brown and white sugar with the butter. Pour this in. Then add vanilla and milk and stir to combine. Then add the flour and salt. When combined, fold in the chocolate chips. I don't know how to do it. I need some help. I don't know how to follow. Time to assemble the cake. Our first layer will be the cookie dough. Thank you. Make sure to get all the cookie dough. Then smooth it out. Now to put on our second layer of Oreos. Set the extra Oreos aside to eat them later before your brothers can. Now time to put in the ice cream. With a parent's help, gently slide our brownie layer onto our ice cream layer. After assembling the cake, wrap the pan in cling wrap and place it in the freezer for 1 hour. After the ice cream has settled, sprinkle some crumbled Oreos and drizzle some melted chocolate and enjoy. Thanks for watching. When you're trying out the recipe, tag me and follow me on Instagram at JDC_show. As always, leave a like, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! If you like this video and you want to see more recipes like this, check out my favorite food playlist. Also, check out my Lego art playlist. Or check out my latest video. Bye-bye!